Is Israel permitted to cut off electricity, fuel, food, or water to Gaza? Following the Hamas attacks, Israel has continued to allow humanitarian aid into Gaza, including over 1,250 trucks of supplies, including food and medicine, through the Rafah crossing with Egypt. Although under international humanitarian law, Israel is not obliged to provide such supplies, it must also not hamper their entry. Israel also continues to supply water to Gaza, albeit it amounts only to about 7 to 9% of Gaza's supply, with the remaining 90% provided by Gaza's internal infrastructure. It is important to note, however, despite Israel's best efforts to supply water, Hamas has been turning water pipelines into rockets, while placing many of their launchers near desalination plants, including those established by UNICEF, with the support of international funding. With respect to the provision of electricity and fuel, the situation is different. These are also indispensable resources necessary for Hamas in order to maintain their military capabilities, such as operating tunnels, firing rockets, and communications. Accordingly, international law does not oblige one party to a conflict from providing the other with supplies that can be used for military purposes, and in Hamas' case, continuing to carry out terrorist acts. Like humanitarian aid, Hamas continues to steal fuel and electricity intended for civilians, in order to power their tunnels and ongoing rocket fire.